Mr. Chairman, thank you very much. And today is June the 4th, 2026, America's 250th anniversary this year that we're celebrating. And we want to thank not only the leaders of the Sikh community, but this Sikh caucus for coming to Washington at this important time to celebrate this 250th anniversary for each of them too as American citizens. Today I was asked to come and join you because it is important that we extend not only the right hand of friendship to you, but the thanks as a strong supporter of the relationship between the United States and India, a part of the home of many Sikhs who have come to the United States to make our country better and to extend the relationship between these two countries. We say thank you. The chance to have people of peace and opportunity and intellect and to do the things that are in the best interest of the principles, not only that America holds true, but that your community is very proud of, is in particular delight. So while I've come here a little bit early before I've got to run a hearing here in a few minutes on the House side, I would offer the very best, not just to each of you, but I will say it, happy birthday, America, 250th birthday. And our celebration that we will enjoy, that you will enjoy, is one of greatness. As we look forward to this community being a part of the success of the United States of America, we extend that to your community and to our friendship and love and support of each other. Pat Meehan has been a very dear friend of mine since the time he came to Congress, and Pat Meehan represents not only the very best of Americanism, but also in his outreach to the world to make sure that America continues to have friends, not only that we can count on and share the same principles and the same ideas, but to extend between great nations peace and opportunity. At this time, I would say to you, thank you for taking time to come to Washington, D.C. as you do each year. Thank you for taking time to know that the friends that you have developed, not only through this caucus, but through Brent Paul and the other leaders of this community as they reach out to members of Congress to tell the story, and that is that we are one nation under God. Thank you very much.
Thank you.